I am Dr. C.L. Venkata Rao. Can we take fish and curd together? This is a point of discussion among some people. We can certainly take fish and curd together. Fish can be taken in the form of fish fry or fish curry or any form, and any type of fish can be taken. There is no incompatibility between fish and the curd. Fish has got lot of very vital things like 3 omega fatty acids. 3 omega fatty acids increases the brain function, increases the memory power of the brain. This fish increases the quantity of good cholesterol, that is HDL cholesterol, and decreases the bad cholesterol, that is LDL cholesterol. Fish has got very high quality protein. From the protein we get amino acids. This protein is very essential for day-to-day functioning of the cells and also for production of the essential hormones from pituitary gland, thyroid gland and pancreas. This protein is very vital for the vertical growth of the children. So, when fish and curd is taken together, there is absolutely no adverse effects on the body. If somebody gets any sort of untoward thing after consumption of curd and the fish, it is due to the allergy to the fish. A person can have from the birth a food allergy to a fish. So, such people who have got a fish allergy to the seafoods should stop taking the fish. It is not the combination of fish and the curd that is responsible. It is the basic allergy to the fish. Hence, we can take without any hesitation a combination of fish fry, fish curry, and then in the end a curd or a curd rice.